Welcome to our comparison of two popular dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K and the SUVCON Dash Cam. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to see which one stands out. The ROVE R2-4K boasts stunning 4K video quality and advanced night vision, while the SUVCON offers 3-channel recording at a more affordable price. Let's explore how they stack up against each other. The ROVE R2-4K offers exceptional 4K video resolution, providing crystal-clear footage that captures every detail on the road. In contrast, the SUVCON Dash Cam records at 1080p, which, while still decent, does not match the clarity and detail of the ROVE. If video quality is your top priority, the ROVE is the clear winner here. When it comes to recording capabilities, the ROVE R2-4K is a single-channel camera, meaning it only records from the front. On the other hand, the SUVCON Dash Cam features 3 channels, allowing it to capture footage from the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle. This makes the SUVCON a more versatile option for those who want comprehensive coverage. The ROVE R2-4K comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing for easy video management and location tracking. Meanwhile, the SUVCON Dash Cam lacks these features, which may be a drawback for users looking for connectivity options. If you value the ability to manage your recordings via an app or need GPS tracking, the ROVE is the better choice. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and SUVCON Dash Cam have their strengths. The ROVE excels in video quality and connectivity, while the SUVCON offers a more affordable option with multiple camera angles. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.